Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to show Bitmojis in Snapchat notifications. If you want to add a touch of personalization to your notifications and have Bitmojis appear in them, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow icon with a white ghost and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, locate the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. It usually looks like a silhouette of a person. Tap on it to access your profile details. Step 3. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll find the gear icon. This is your gateway to the Snapchat settings. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Within the settings, scroll down until you find the notifications option. Tap on it to enter the notification settings. In the notifications menu, look for the option labeled Bitmojis in Notifications and tap on it. By enabling this option, you can show Bitmojis in your Snapchat notifications, adding a personal touch to your alerts. By following these simple steps, you can customize your Snapchat notifications and make them more fun and personalized with Bitmojis. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.